Hey YouTube, welcome back to Ray 101 Acres. This is Nomad 76, and today we're going to kind of do a continuation of the Schrader Valve video. But really, what this is going to be is just a side note about a Schrader Valve that I went ahead and bought a different type, installed it. I'm going to go ahead in this video, even though there's a lot of videos about installing mantles and lighting Coleman lanterns. I have had a few comments about that, so because I've never really done one. So for those that subscribe to this channel and for the purposes of seeing Coleman products and troubleshooting videos and that type of thing, this video is for you. Okay, first part is that Schrader valve, the new Schrader valves that I talked about. This is the brand I'm using, these C&D valves. They found these ones on Amazon. They use Teflon, and I read on Schrader Valve's website, and I'll link that below. In addition, that there's a whole whole battery of stuff, but these ones are designed for the use in like air conditioning units and stuff like that. So they are actually designed because air conditioning systems and stuff like that have oils in them. So these should work dimension wise, and I'll throw that in down below for those that are interested. They are very, 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 very close to the original Coleman one. So this is for you, YouTube, for my Coleman enthusiasts. This is a test. All right. So all precautions will be taken to not blow up the world, okay? I promise. All right, so moving on to the next step, right? Installing new mantles, number 21s, which are standard here, and lighten this up just for you guys all to see that it is operating, and then I will continue. Sorry about that. I will continue to operate it for a while. In fact, my plan is tonight is to fill the tank and let it run, obviously in a safe location. So first step to installing them, right? Coleman has this cute little diagram there on the back, right, about how to install them. First thing is, though, obviously, or you would think it's obvious, but these warnings have to be put out there. It needs to be cool, so don't try to put new mantles on when it's hot. Okay, I just had to put that out there because somebody would have put a comment down below about it. So anyway, so all right. Step one, install mantle, tie it. I usually do just a little quick double knot there. Trim it, which is, whatever necessary, and then burn them. So obviously the third step will be done outdoors. Once they're burnt, you burn off they turn to a kind of a charcoal color. Then go ahead and reassemble, put the globe on. Globe needs to be cleaned. Talk about that here in a second. Put the hood vent on. Boom. And then you're ready to light. So let me pause you here and we'll do all those steps. Okay, so just one little step here. Obviously get the first going, and then just make sure you obviously get the mantle where the string goes into this groove right here, and just slowly tighten it down carefully, nothing too crazy. Put another loop in there, cinch that down, you're good. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. Second side. Actually, it's easier to do this, sorry, and I'm trying to do this so my hand's not in the way. Upcoming videos, I'm buying another standalone camera. I have one, but it's just not as good quality as I would like. So I'm getting a better one, so I can do kind of the picture-in-picture, so that you guys can. I know on some of these videos I've received some feedback about my hands being in the way, and I apologize for that. And I can eliminate that by adding a second view to help. So you guys can see what's going on actually without my big old hands being in the way. They're actually not that big, but it's It's all relative, right? All right, so that step, go ahead and trim them, and then we'll step outside and burn them off. All right, you can use matches or a lighter for this. You know, in this case, I'm just using a Bic lighter. Once you kind of get them going, they usually burn. I got a little bit of a breeze out, so we'll see what happens here. Breeze is not helping me. All right, so those burned off. I ended up just getting my a barbecue lighter here. All right, so at this point, just a word of caution, right? These things are fragile now. You tap them or hit them or bump it really hard, and they might fall apart. So, just there's your other warning. Hey, I know I mentioned this in previous videos, but some of you might be the first time watching one of my Coleman videos. Make sure you use one of these funnels. They have a filter median in the bottom that helps keep little particles from getting into your tank, which could cause you big problems later. Okay, so now that I got it pumped up, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lighter up in here. Those long matches work pretty good for this, but these barbecue style lighters work pretty awesome too. So put it all the way on high. It's gonna do, you know, kind of flicker a little bit here, probably in the beginning. You can see there's flames around it. It's still kind of burning off some of that on the new mantles. Sure, I got a good pressure in there. Looking good. All right, it's all the way on high. There you go. Well, thanks again for watching. Just know I'll put a link down below for all the things that I have, all the information I provided here, including Amazon links, Amazon affiliate links for some of the items like the Coleman style funnels and mantles and those Schrader valves that I showed. And we'll know here in a week or so that Schrader valve is working correctly. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. This is Nomad76. Have a great day.